Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm hand sewing a scrunchy headband. For the headband, you will need fabric. I'm using satin in this video, a scissors to cut the fabric. You'll need thread and needle. I actually used a dark brown thread. You'll also need a chalk to mark your fabric, pins to hold your fabric when stitching, a tape measure, and an elastic band. Subscribe to my channel and let's get to it. I have already cut the pieces of fabric that I will need, and the first piece is the longer piece, which is for the front. It is measuring 43 inches length by 7 inches width. How did I come up with the measurements? Well, I measured the top of my head from my left ear to my right ear, which was 14 inches long. To create gathers, you need a longer piece and a shorter piece. So I took the measurement of the shorter piece, 14 inches, multiplied by 3 to get the measurement for the longer piece, which is now 43 inches. The extra 1 inch is for the seam allowance. The shorter piece is 15 inches long by 5 inches wide. These two pieces are going to make the scrunchie, which is the front part. I'm going to fold the pieces when stitching, and that's why the longer outer piece is 7 inches, while the shorter inner piece is 5 inches wide. I also measured the back part of my head from my left ear to my right ear, which was 10 inches long. This piece, which is meant for the back part, is 11 inches long by 3 inches wide. The elastic band is half the size of the piece, which is 5 inches long. This is how I sew each piece. I think this is a running stitch. Explaining can be a bit confusing, so I'll just let you watch what I'm doing. After stitching, I turned each piece to the right side. And now it's time to iron each piece. When ironing this type of fabric, satin, make sure your iron box is set to the lowest heat. Mine is set to 1 where it's written silk, and it's because this fabric can easily burn. This is the piece for the back part, which is for the elastic band. Because I want the seam to be hidden when worn, I placed it right at the middle, which means the side with the seam will be at the bottom, while the other side will be at the top when worn. I did the same thing to the longer piece for the front. After inserting the shorter piece into the longer piece and the elastic band into the small back piece, I attached the inner parts with the outer parts, then closed the openings by stitching. Because I'm sewing by hand, I made hidden stitches as much as possible. I don't know how to explain the stitching process in a way that you can easily understand, so I'll let you watch what I'm doing. Here is the final look of the scrunchy headband. As you can see, the stitches are pretty well hidden. Can you even tell that this is hand sewn? Let me know in the comment section below. It is so neat and beautiful. I love it so much. If you've enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Share this video with your friends and anyone that might find it helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. See you on the next one.